We're at the center of Milan for Milan Design Week.
We are interaction design students, and we are currently presenting at Unfold, a competition held by Domus Academy.
We thought of internet security, and we thought of, okay, a lot of people online are arguing with bots when they think they're human beings. Our design is an interactive installation where you have to build your own bot.
That uses friction between bots and humans, and we want people to engage with creating bots as well as trying to identify them. Our design has two sides. On the retro side, you build your bots. And on the modern side, you identify the bots.
In the beginning, you start plug and playing and making your own bots.
I was like, okay, this must be easy. If I'm the one making the bots, I'll know what it looks like. But now I'm kind of questioning myself.
I was pretty confident I would recognize them on the other side. But once I went to the other side, even though I knew the characteristics, I wasn't able to spot them.
When people cannot tell bots from humans, they can easily become victims of scams, fraud, and impersonation.
I think I'm really bad at identifying botted comments.
I don't think we really grasp how severe it's gotten.
I didn't realize that the technology was so sophisticated.
The biggest pitfall that people make is that they go online and they expect it to be mainly human-generated content. When that is not the case, it's 60% bot-generated. So you have to go in thinking that it's actually bots you're interacting with, unless proven otherwise.
Stop trusting that the person on the other side of the screen is real. Before you reply, especially before sending money or sharing anything personal, pause and check. The good news is that once you know what to watch out for, it gets a lot easier to stay secure online.